Hey guys, today's video is in collaboration with the Click Flick, and if you don't know what the Click Flick is, it's an Australian brand that sells winged eyeliner stamps. Now, these will change your life. I've been using them for days now, and I don't know how I've lived without them because they help so much and they cut back so much time, and the chances of ruining your makeup is a lot more slim. Eyeliner is like eyebrows. They're meant to be sisters, not twins. And there's some days when I've done winged eyeliner, they're not even close to being related. They're out of this world. I think we can all relate about spending a lot of time doing your makeup. It looks absolutely beautiful, and then you go for the wing and it's completely ruined because it looks horrible. If you struggle with doing eyeliner and you're looking for a quick fix, then the Quick Flick is something you might want to look into.
Okay, so when you get your package in the mail, it's going to come in this really cute pink box. There's a funny quote on the top, and then you'll find whatever products that you purchased inside. I was sent their 3 basic sizes, the 12mm, 10mm, and 8mm. You can also get these in 4 different colors like black, brown, blue, and green. Each pack is going to come with 2 dual-ended eyeliner stamps, one for the left eye and one for the right eye. Both stamps also have a felt tip on the opposite side. Right here is the 8mm Petite stamp, which is their smallest size. And this is the 10mm modest size. And this is the 12mm Grand, which is the largest size that they have. This eyeliner is waterproof, smudge resistant, and sweat resistant. So you can see that I'm rubbing it with my finger and the liner is staying in place. You can use an oil-based makeup remover to remove it. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how to use the stamp with the 12mm size. So grab the stamp for the correct eye. I'm using the right one for my right eye, and then I'm just going to line the bottom of the stamp with my lower lash line. As you can see, it's mapped out a wing. Now all you have to do is connect the wing to the lash line with a felt tip liner.
It turned out pretty good, and it took me maybe 5 minutes, and they are even. They look like they're related, they're sisters, they're happy, it's all good, and I didn't ruin my makeup. Overall, I do think that this eyeliner stamp is really nifty, and it'll help you if you struggle with doing eyeliner. You could be a new beginner and you're just learning how to do it, or even a professional and you just struggle with it from day to day. If you're looking for a more bold and dramatic look, like kind of like the eyeliner that I did today, you're going to want to go with the 12mm because it's larger and longer. If you're looking for something more elegant and everyday, then you might want to check out the 8mm or the 10mm. Those also might be better if you guys have hooded eyes because the longer one might not work so well with that. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and press that subscribe button down below. You can also check out my other social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'll see you guys next time.